Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to find all comments you have made on Instagram in just seconds. For this, go and open Instagram app on your phone. Then click on Profile at bottom right corner. Next, click on 3 bars at top right corner. Next, click on your activity. Under Interactions, tap on Comments. You'll see a chronological list of your recent comments. You can scroll through your history. You can filter it by newest to oldest and vice versa. You can also do it by dates. You can also do by authors. You can also do filter by shared to Facebook. If you want to delete the comments permanently, then click on Select at the top. Then just check in the comment you want to delete. After that, click on Delete at the bottom. If you get the confirmation, just click on Delete, and your comment list gets loaded again. In this way we can find and filter comments on Instagram. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.